So Copilot Consumer has got a new mode called Smart. This adds to the default modes already available, which are quick response, think deeper, and deep research, so research mode. The Smart mode essentially brings together all of these into a single function. Now I imagine over time Microsoft will remove the selectors and Smart will just be the default function. So what Smart does is determines the right model. So these all use different language models and different AI interpretation models to determine the answer. So if you ask it a relatively simple question, then it will answer quickly using the simple model, so GPT-4, 4 Turbo, etc. If you ask it a question to go and do some analysis, then it might use the deep thinker mode, or it might of course use the research mode. So the idea is that as the models evolve, the user doesn't need to think about the mode they're using. So in this example, I'm going to ask Copilot to actually help me understand the different Copilot modes and create me a table, and you'll see actually how it's doing this because it uses a combination of different models to do the job. So let's play it now. So we can see here it's using a deeper think mode. So this is not the quick response that we sometimes see. So we can see here it's thinking through, you can see it reasoning over the work, and it's given me an output. So this is what it's given. So yeah, that's not bad. Interesting, it's thought about this new mode called Deep Dive. It's not quite called Deep Dive. There's a Deep Research mode, and there's the new mode which is called Smart. But again, it's it's given me some examples. It's given me far more I actually asked it for. I mean, it's made up something about immersive recap. So again, yeah, all the standard challenges. But I'm going to challenge it back now because I want to know specifically about the new mode that's been introduced. So I do want to know what Smart Mode is. So I'm going to ask it that question. So there we go. What about the new Smart Mode? So please tell me about that. And again, now if you have a look, this is responding differently. So this is now clearly using a fast response mode, which is of course different to the mode it used before. So, but without me actually changing the conversation. So it's not stayed in that kind of deep think mode or research mode it was using. It has flipped between the modes based on what it thinks is best for that response. So I think definitely an improvement on the way I've seen this work before. And yeah, I think I like the idea of it. So it's new, it's just rolled out for me today. It's only showing on my Windows PC app and on the web app. It's not showing yet on mobile for me, but I'm going to keep experimenting with it and see where we get. So if this is showing for you, have a play. Let me know what you think. Are you getting a good response from it? Do you find it is flicking between modes usefully or not? Tell me in the comments. Enjoy Copilot Smart Mode.